When it comes down to manifestation, have you ever wondered to yourself, what's your role when it comes down to manifesting versus universe's role? Or you're someone who's already very good at manifestation but would like to take your manifestation to the next level. Then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to share with you your role versus universe's role when it comes down to manifestation. But before we begin, show a reel. Welcome back. My name is Amy Lin and I'm a wealth mindset coach. I teach people all around the world on how to manifest wealth and abundance with ease and joy. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you what is your role exactly when it comes down to co-creating with the universe. I have 7 points written down. So if you're watching this video, you want to take a pen and paper and take some notes. Okay? The biggest one is when it comes down to manifesting, most people are so concerned with the how. How is it going to happen, Amy? When is my manifestation coming? Guess what? The how and the when is not your job. Think about it. If you knew how your manifestation was gonna come, don't you think that you would have done it already? That's right. So let go of how it's going to come and let go of when, because that's universe's role. Your job, your role is knowing the what. Please write that down. What is it that you would like to manifest? If you are not clear on what you want, universe is not able to provide it to you. So when it comes down to the what, make sure it's clear. Okay, so for example, if you would like to manifest more financial into your life, do not just say, I want more money, okay? Because universe can give you $1, £1, whatever currency that you're in, okay? Is that enough? No, and the reason is because you're not clear. So when it comes down to knowing what you want, clarity is huge. Second point is that you gotta let go of the old limiting beliefs that have been holding you back. Once you're able to do that, the universe is ready to give you everything. And especially when I talk about the limiting belief, is the belief that you think that you're not worthy. You see, universe is only able to give you what you believe, what you feel on an energetic level that you're worthy of receiving. So how can you do that? I mean, there's many methods. For example, there are the clearing methods. So some people would do some clearing exercises to go back to maybe in their past to get rid of, dig deeper on those limiting beliefs. One way on how you can clear that is also by creating an affirmation. Simply just repeating the same thing over and over again. You can just say, I am worthy, or I am getting better and better. Okay, that will help you when it comes down to your role, okay, into manifesting and co-creating with the universe. The third point is you want to be open-minded. Okay, open-mindedness is essential because a closed mind would not be able to accept any ideas. Even if the ideas come from the universe, you won't even be able to accept it because you're closed-minded. Okay? And when you are open and receptive to new ideas or desires that come through the universe, then you'll be able to help you to create and attract the things you want. Okay? When you do that, universe is able to provide you with intuition. Okay, that's what I'm talking about, is intuition and hunches. Okay, very important to note that intuition and hunches is not gonna be something like loud. Universe is gonna be like, it's not gonna be like, hey, do this, go there. No. Intuition is a feeling, okay? It might just be a little nudge. Hey, call this person, make a right here, go into that coffee shop. Okay, it's a little, very faint hunch, but it's important that you listen to it. Okay, the fourth tip is free will. When it comes down to manifesting, you have to understand that as human beings, we have free will. So universe cannot interfere, if you will, without your consent. So the first step to that is you gotta ask, right? In one of the videos I did, the 3 steps on how to manifest anything you want is ask. First, you gotta ask the universe to show you a sign or to show you or guide you on how to get you a manifestation. Okay? When it comes down to this, the universe's role is, it's called divine will. Okay, this is where co-creation comes. Meaning, I'm sure you might have heard a saying that you might have your plan, but universe has its own plan and its own timing. Okay, so your job is to ask the universe, and then you want to go is let go and trust the universe that universe is going to provide by its own divine timing. The 5th tip is that you gotta trust the process and have faith. Okay? And how do you do that? One way on how you can develop faith is by studying. Studying materials that maybe normally you have never studied before. Okay, so for example, I have many books, many authors that I study. Maybe if you guys want, let me know if you'd like to let me do a video on my favorite authors that really helped me, propel me to the quantum leap that I've achieved. You can comment below, maybe I'll do a separate video on that, okay? But to start absorbing some new information, okay? But it's very important, not just any information, because right now, especially with the internet, we got information overload, okay? So more information is not the problem, okay? But having the right information, that's crucial, okay? So when you have faith, and by faith, then what is universe going to do? When you take the leap of faith, right? Everyone has heard about that. What does that mean, leap of faith? Leap of faith doesn't just mean, oh, it's just talk, right? Oh, I have faith. Leap of faith means you gotta make the first move, right? Take the first action, even before you're ready. And when you take the first step, universe will unfold the rest of the steps for you, okay? But your job is to take the first initial step. The 6th tip is that you gotta make a committed decision of what is it that you want, okay? I also did a video on the power of decision. You see, as soon as you make a decision, this is one of my favorite quotes by Ralph Waldo Emerson, universe will conspire to help you. And when you make a decision, you literally flip yourself on the frequency of what you want, and through the law of attraction, you will attract the resources to you in a form of, could be a book, could be a person, could be this video, could be a resources, right? And in all different types of form. What you really attract is you're attracting an energy field in the form of a book, a resource, money, right? Or a person, okay? So making that decision is crucial. Once you make the decision, the universe will get to work for you. Now I want to say they're all really important, but the last one is more in depth, okay? And I'll definitely do a video on this, which is understanding and aligning yourself with universal laws, okay? Let me know if you have ever heard about universal laws, and if you do, if you know what they are and how many we have, okay? The thing is that the universe that we live in is governed by laws. Everything is actually governed by laws, and your mind is governed by law also. So laws is kind of like the game that you're playing, okay? Imagine that you're playing a game, but you don't know the rules. Do you think you're gonna win? Probably not, right? If you do win, it's probably a hit and miss and trial and error. It's gonna take a lot of time, a lot of effort, okay? I don't know about you. For me, it's always about shortcuts and the fastest way possible. So knowing the laws is important, but not only that, is the second thing is how do you align yourself with the laws so you can ride the wave instead of going against it. Okay, so knowing the laws. I will do a separate videos on that, but for now, just write that down. When you understand the laws, guess what? Universe will respond to you. Okay? I'll give you a real quick example. Okay? One of the laws that everybody know, okay, is law of gravity. What does law of gravity states? Law of gravity says that if I drop this pen, okay, what's gonna happen? Okay? What's gonna happen is it's gonna go down, right? You see? Okay? Right? It's not magic. Okay? But how did you know that? Because you know law of gravity. But what if I told you that when it comes to manifestation, there are actually laws, universal laws that govern your success, that govern your manifestation. You just maybe are not aware of them. Okay? So very, very important to get to know these laws and then apply them into your life. And be sure that your manifestation will come very, very fast. So if you like this video, or if you got anything out of this video from what I'm saying, or if you have any questions, make sure you comment below and like the video and also subscribe to this video, because I want to share with you more and more videos on how you can manifest your true desire. So thank you for watching.